Yeah, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, it's the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, November the 22nd, 2022. And we have two puzzles left. The first two puzzles I've already solved. Those are the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two puzzles left. I've told you earlier. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one you are interested. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. Binary time. And this will be number, I believe, 55201. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 ones comes in O, between 2 ones comes in O, between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 ones comes in O. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3 O's. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Think. Come on. Well, yeah, I need to compare. But which? I think the columns I need to compare. 1, yeah, this column and that column. 1100 empty box. 1100 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. A double 1. Here no. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no. There no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So that box should be an O. Alright. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Oh, 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Need to compare again. We have here 2 completed rows. Double 1 here. Well, this row and that row. empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then, yeah. Still having troubles. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I cannot compare this row. Can I compare this? No, I cannot compare this last row. How about 1001 then? Here we have 1001. Yeah. This second row and that row. All right. 1 empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, a lot of comparing, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.